We'll guide you through how to add slow motion in VSDC. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure that VSDC video editor is already installed on your device before starting this tutorial. Double-click the application to open it, and wait for the main interface to appear. From the startup screen, select the Import Content option to begin a new project. Choose the video that you want to apply a slow motion effect to, then click the Open button. A prompt will appear asking whether you want to use the imported file's project settings. Click Yes to apply the recommended settings automatically. Next, change the project title to How to Add Slow Motion in VSDC. Once everything is ready, click the Finish button to open the editing workspace. Next, select the video on the timeline so you can begin modifying its playback speed. Go to the top menu, then click View to access additional workspace options. After the menu opens, select Properties to enable the settings panel. Then choose the View or Hide window option if the Properties panel is not already visible. Next, access the Properties window on the right side of the interface, where you can adjust several settings for the selected video clip. Scroll down to the bottom of the Properties window until you find the Speed section. If needed, split the video first to separate the parts that you want to slow down from the parts that you want to keep at their original speed. After splitting the clip, select the desired section on the timeline. Then change the speed value to 50% as an example. Next, select another clip on the timeline and change the speed value to 35% as another example to create an even slower playback effect. Once all speed adjustments have been completed, move the timeline back to the beginning of the video. Click play to preview the final result, and check that each slow motion section plays smoothly.